If you don't have a landing page, you don't have a list. And if you don't have a list, it's very hard to build an online business. Hi, I'm Zaf, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a landing page inside System.io step by step, even if you're completely new to funnels. And by the end of this video, you'll have a working landing page ready to capture email subscribers. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a free resource that I think you'll find really helpful. Now let's get started. In System.io, landing pages are usually created inside something called a funnel. A funnel is simply a sequence of pages that guide visitors toward an action like subscribing or buying. So from the top we go to sites, and then from there we want to select sales funnels. Click on sales funnels, and this will take you into your list of funnels if you've got any there, like I have here, or it will probably be blank if this is your first one. From the right hand side here we click on the blue option button here to create. And then here we enter the name of our funnel. Usually this would be it could be the name of your lead magnet or your free gift, what you're giving to the subscriber. For now, I'm going to call it LM, just for short for lead magnet here. Next, you have the funnel domain. So if you click on, if you haven't got any domains or subdomains, it will default to System.io, the bottom one here. You see here, I've got a couple of subdomains added into this account here. Just select the one we want if you've got more than one domain. And then what we need to do then is choose your funnel goal. And here we're going to choose build an audience. So each funnel contains steps, and each step is simply a page. Common examples are opt-in page, thank you page, and sales page. So just click on the build an audience. You see now it's just the icon's turned blue here. The currency doesn't matter here because what we're doing here is just collecting leads. So click on the blue save option, and then that's created our opt-in funnel or landing page, landing funnel, page funnel. You see here it's labeled LM. So if I just then click on that, and you can see then it automatically brings up templates. So System.io provides ready-made templates that you can customize using the drag and drop editor. So what we need to do is select our opt-in page or landing page. So if we scroll down to the bottom here, see at the moment it's set on 9. To view 30 per page, we'll just click on 30 here, and that will change that. We just want a simple opt-in page, so the basics really to begin with. So if we just scroll down and have a look, you'll see an option there, it's a little square with a diagonal line arrow in it. When you hover over it, it turns blue. If you click on that, that'll give you a preview of the actual page, what it looks like. So what I'm going to do then, I'll select this one and then show you how to edit it. So when you do that, if we go to the option to edit page here, so it's blue button here, click on that, and then you can see then this is what it all brings up. So what we need to do here is then delete all the parts we don't want. So all we really want is the headline, maybe a bit of text about what we are got to offer, the email, and maybe one of these buttons. We need both. So we'll start by deleting this section here. See if you hover over it, you can see the options there for him to actually delete that. And we can just click OK on that and delete that off. And also section. Now if we click on it, you can see there it says section on there. Now if I click on the headline here, you can see at the left there text headline, it comes up, and you can see at the top here section. You can see a row there, it's in a row, and then you got your element, which is text element on this one. And if I click on the button down here, you can see again this is in 2 rows here. And then it's got a button on the left there. You can see the options to edit that button. Alright, so now I'm just going to fast forward this bit and then just delete that sections I don't want. going to do now is edit the headline and put something like "Get my free landing page blueprint." And then I'll just then center that. Click to grab my free landing page blueprint today. And center that there. So now what we look at is customizing the actual form, but so you can see on this one we've just got an email field there, and then a button. Some have the name up here as well. If we click on that, you can see on the left there we've got a couple of options we can do here. Under the placeholder it says email, that's that there, so whatever you type in there will show in there. So I'm going to put enter your best email address, leave that. Now I need to look at if I can take that form field in a bit to make it in line with that button. So I'll try this one, see if this does it on the margins. Yeah, so if you click on the margins there, you can see that's actually moving now. Take that to about the size of the button there. About right. What we also want to do now as well is for the CTA, which is the call to action, which is this, we want to change it, but we don't want it to be anything generic. If I click on the button here, you can see there's a couple of settings we can change on this, things we can do. So the button text is here, onto typographer. So what I'm going to do is change this to yes, oops, capital yes, get my free landing page guide now. Here, when we click on this, you can see that says the button elements there on the settings. We can change if we want the colour of the button and the text colour as well. So if we click on that, you can see some colours we can change it to. We just click on this slider bit and then select what the colour we want it to be. I think I'm just going to leave that as is at the moment, and you can alter the size of your text. So if you want it smaller, font size smaller, or if you want it larger, like that. So once we've done a quick improvement like the spacing, the alignment and the colours we want, and we'll just click on the save option here at the top and click preview. Now this here, if you want an image for your lead magnet, you can just delete this out, or have a video there if you want a video and replace that with an image. You see when you click on it, you can see the trash icon there, and we can just delete it from there, and we can just add. So if I click on that and click OK to remove that, that's now gone. And if we scroll down, we can, if we wanted to, put into there we go. Okay, so I want to click on here to add an image and click on the cloud option on the left here. There's an image file. Now if you've got a image for your lead magnet, then just upload it from there, or if you've got one already saved, you can select it from this option from your images, and you'll see it saved there. One important thing you need to make sure you have is a privacy policy as well. So if we grab the text there, drag it down to the bottom there, and just type it in privacy policy, and then I can just make that smaller, and then we can just link it, put our privacy policy URL in there and then confirm it, and then just save it. And if we preview the page, you can see the privacy policy there, and you can see that looks all okay there. And if we come back, what we also need to make sure we check, if you can see this little mobile option there, this little mobile, click on that and we can check it in the mobile view. It looks alright there, and we can adjust it in there if we need to. After the opt-in, when someone submits the form, they should be redirected to a thank you page, which then explains the next step. The thank you page confirms to the subscriber what happens next. This may be receiving an email with a link to download the thing they've opted in for, also known as a lead magnet. So let's quickly recap the process. Create a funnel, add page step, choose a template, edit page, publish, and that's how you create a landing page inside of System.io. Now, as promised, I've got a free resource for you, my System.io starter kit. Inside, you'll get my 10-minute landing page blueprint and a ready-to-use landing page template that you can copy straight into your System.io account. You'll find the link right below this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.